Hey, in this video, we're going to be unboxing and testing this 30-watt bass amp by Donner.
You on the Hank Coffee YouTube channel, man. Yeah.
Before we get to the unboxing, I just want to say all musical examples in this video were recorded with this Donner bass right here. Cool. This is pretty cool, man. Got the knobs on the top here. Headphone jack, auxiliary in for like an MP3 player or something. Or your phone. DBA-30, 30-watt bass amplifier. Dude, 30 watts is pretty substantial. It says personal monitor. So we got volume, low, mid, high on the clean channel, and there's an overdrive channel on here. So for a practice amp, man, this thing's pretty loud. Like the volume's down pretty low and I can hear it good. Next, let's take this headphone to stereo 1/4-inch cable and I'm gonna plug it into the headphone jack here. Let's plug these into the audio interface on the computer and see what this thing sounds like running direct. Okay, let's check out the auxiliary in. I'm gonna plug my phone into it. Get you some backing tracks on your phone, just plug it in and jam. Here is Donner's website. It's donnerdeal.com. And to find this amplifier, you would go to guitar amp, and the bass amps are in here. This amplifier is the DBA 30 watt bass amp. And if you're interested in the bass I use for this video, go to electric guitar, and here it is, DPB 510S Sunburst. I'll also put links to these items in the description. Yeah. Thank you so much for checking the video out. This is it for now. I will see you next time.